How to enable or disable Playtone when call ends on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, tap on the phone application. Next, tap on the More button. And from the pop-up menu, tap on Settings. Then in Call Settings, we scroll down and tap on Call Alerts and Ringtone. From here, tap on Playtone when call ends. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. By default, this feature is turned on so that when you end a call, it will play a small tone to give you an indication that the call has successfully ended. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.